Every day versus every day. How to sort out the confusion. A very common source of confusion in English is distinguishing between every day, one word, and every day, two words. The difference lies in their usage and meaning. Every day is a compound word that functions as an adjective, which modifies a noun. It means commonplace, typical, or ordinary. An example, having a coffee first thing in the morning is part of my everyday routine. Washing the dishes is part of my everyday chores. Every day modifies routine and chores. Every day, two words, is an adverbial phrase that means daily or every weekday. Adverbial phrases modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, providing information about when, how often, or to what extent an action occurs. It indicates frequency. Example, I go walking every day. Every day modifies the verb walking. I miss you every day. Every day modifies miss. A simple way to distinguish between the two is to think of substituting the word each for every. For example, each day instead of every day. Washing the dishes is part of my each day chores. Nope, there's no such word as each day. So that doesn't work there. You need to have every day. I go walking each day. I go walking every day. Yes, that works. I miss you each day. Yes, that works too. I miss you every day. Do you have a tip on how to distinguish between every day and every day? If you do, leave a comment and let us know what your tip is. Thanks for viewing. Stay safe and keep on learning.